Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get new videos. This video, I am going to share a story with you. This story will inspire you and will give an answer to lot of your questions. So please listen till the end. In this story, there is a conversation between a great disciple and great teacher. So please listen carefully. Once there was a disciple. He has lot of questions in his mind. So he went to his teacher and asked the questions. First question he asked that I cannot find free time, life becoming hectic. Then his teacher replies, activity gets you busy, but the productivity keeps you free. Second question he asked, why has life become complicated now? His teacher replies, stop analyzing life and just leave it. He asks again, why are then we constantly unhappy? His teacher replied, worrying has become your habit, that is why you are not happy. Fourth question, he asks, why do good people always suffer? His teacher replies, diamond cannot be polished without friction. Gold cannot be purified without fire. Good people go through such experiences. With that experience, their life becomes better, not bitter. Disciple asks, you mean to say such experience is useful? Teacher replies, yes, in every turn, experience is a hard teacher. First, it gives test and the lesson afterwards. People ask, because of so many problems, we do not know where we are heading. Teacher replies, if you look outside, you will not know where you are heading. Look inside. Eyes provides the sight and hearts provide the way. Disciple asks, does failure hurts more than moving in the right direction? Teacher replies, success is a measure as decided by others and satisfaction is a measure as decided by you. Disciple asks, in tough times, how you stay motivated? Teacher replies, always look at how far you have come rather than how far you have to go. Always count your blessing and not what you are missing. Disciple asks, what surprise you about the people? Teacher replies, when they suffer, they ask why me. When they prosper, they never ask why me. Disciple asks, how can I get best out of my life? Teacher replies, face your past without regret, handle your present with confidence, and prepare for the future without fear. Disciple asks, one last question. Sometimes I feel my prayers are not answered. Teacher replies, there are no unanswered prayers. Keep the faith and drop the fear. Life is the mystery to solve, not a problem to resolve. Trust me, life is wonderful if you know how to live it. Friends, do you know who is disciple and who is teacher? The disciple is Swami Vivekananda and the teacher is Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please subscribe and like.